Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix a Snapchat if it's not showing any friends or friend requests. Now first of all, open your mobile phone and open your Snapchat application. And as you can see here, this is my chat for Snapchat. And to add friends, go to this top right corner that is showing you up adding friend logo, and as you can see you can either add people from here or you can accept their request. Now if it is not showing on your Snapchat, then all you have to do is check your Snapchat if it is on the latest version. Now go to Play Store or go to your App Store and click on Snapchat and check if you have the latest version. As you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest version, so it is working all fine. You can also do it by going to settings and going on apps or applications on your mobile. Go to Snapchat by searching it on the search bar and open Snapchat and click on stories. After that, clear cache and it will be working all fine. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.